I want to do a review on these Aldi jerry cans. So they're 20 liters and they're made of metal or steel, painted in matte black. They were around $24 each a couple of months ago from Aldi. So yesterday was Tuesday, and Tuesday is usually our cheap petrol day. And I took the opportunity to fill up the tank on the Jeep and also fill up these two 20 liters jerry cans as well. So there's a total of 40 liters. I just want to demonstrate the features. Well, there's not a lot of features, but they're pretty basic features here. So you've got the opening here where you're going to pump your petrol. To open that up, you'll need to remove this pin here. So this pin is a bit tight at the moment. To loosen it, what you need to do is put a pressure on this tab, push it down a bit, and then now the pin's loosen. And then what you do is you just pull it aside. So you just lift this tab up to open the lid, and there you go. And when you're pouring this into your vehicle, you can just attach the nozzle that came with it. So you just plug it in there like that. Sorry, this smells like fuel at the moment, so I'm just gonna demonstrate this. So you just plug this in and push this lever down to lock it in, and as you can see, there's a nozzle here, and you can just pour petrol into your vehicle if you're in a remote area and there's no petrol station around. So what I'll do is I'll add the manufacturer's website to the description below so you guys can check out the specs. I mean, there's nothing much to it. It's pretty standard jerry can. I just like the look of it. It just goes well with my vehicle. Well, it goes pretty well. It looks good and goes well with my Jeep. So the next item I want to show you guys is a custom Maxtrax mounting bracket for your Rhino-Rack Pioneer platform. These are made by a local guy in Perth, WA. He doesn't live far from where I live. So he actually cut these, and then he powder coated in matte black. So with the bracket, he also includes the nuts and bolts to mount it onto your rack, which is pretty good. So his company is called TRC Concepts. He does custom work. So if you need any brackets that need to be made, he can do it. So this is his business card here. I'll leave his contact details in the description, and you can check him out. So at the moment, I have the side mount for the Maxtrax. I decided to get this is because I want to mount it flat on top of the rack as well. I want both options. So depending on how I use the rack, I have the options to mount the Maxtrax flat on top instead of on the side of the vehicle. So that's pretty good. Another item I want to show you guys is I bought from Temu. I don't know if you guys know what Temu is. Temu is similar to AliExpress. It's just an online shop. All the products come from China, but they're pretty cheap. If you're in Australia like me, I buy all these products from Temu and they get delivered within a week or two. That's pretty quick. Usually if you order stuff from like AliExpress, it might take I know half a month or a month to get here. So I bought this. It's actually a tissue box, but you can use it as a storage box as well. But so it's in a khaki color. So my wife I always make fun to my wife that it's called khaki, but I know it's pronounced as khaki color, or I know brown. So so you can open the lid like this, and you can put stuff in here for storage. And then on top of the lid, you've got a little. So there's a hole here where you can pull out your tissue. So at the moment, I'm just using this as a tissue box. So nothing special to it. Just a tissue box for camping or going overlanding. It's pretty neat. It just looks cool. Goes with my my color theme, as you can see. So what I'll do is I've got 2 packets of tissue here, travel tissues. So what I'm going to do is put one in there like that, and then I put another one. I'm using 2 tissues because I just want to fill it up so that the top part actually reaches out. So I'm just going to cover that. Now close the lid. So if I open the top compartment here, as you can see, exposes the tissue, so you can just grab that. So you've got a nice looking tissue box that you can take with you to camping or overlanding or any trip with you. And one thing, this was pretty cheap. I think it was like less than $10 just to buy this one. I'll also put a link in the description below for this product if you want to check it out. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya.